All right, Rachel, here's your prep. Okay. This is for formulas. So I'm going to come back to the Home tab. You're going to start them off with an empty spreadsheet, and you're just going to fill the first 10 rows of column A with some random numbers. And then you're going to make this nice and simple. You're going to just place your cursor over here in A11. Then you're going to hit the Formulas tab, and you're going to hit Insert Function. You're going to take them through this dialog. And for instance, at first you're going to just show them that they can type a function up at the top here. You're going to go sum, and then you hit go. And of course we already have it, but just for illustration purposes. And then you double click on sum. And it's not okay. It's responding. Good. Okay. So now the only field you're concerned with is the number 1 field in this case, for instance. And the range is already in there because Excel intuitively assumes you're going to use these numbers. But just let's pretend it wasn't there. So I'm going to hit the delete button, and I'm going to select this little button here, and that collapses the dialog. Just gives me more real estate to work with. I'm just going to select my range, then I'm going to hit this dialog again, and then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And that is how you use that function dialog. And the point behind all this is for you to let them know how to use the function dialog, because they're going to be using it for much more complex things than just the sum function. Okay, now for this particular workshop, you're going to be working with sum, you're going to be working with average, you're going to be working with min, which shows the smallest number in the range, and max, which shows the largest number in the range. Okay, let me just drag that down here so it looks like it's supposed to look. Anyway, okay, so I think you can figure it out. I think you know how to figure out the insert function button for average. The rules are exactly the same, and the same thing for min and for max. Should they be asking you to do any much more complex functions than that, then tell them that we're not familiar with their exact complex statistical or financial functions, whatever they want to do. The point of this is to show them how to use the function dialog. Okay, I'll come to you with another video on the charting. Okay, see ya.